Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Destination Thailand visa. And this has been a visa that's been a really hot topic here recently. Unfortunately, a bunch of people on YouTube have been talking about it and have been bringing out people and putting them out as like the end-all be-all experts on how the visa is always and forever going to work. And as I've discussed in other videos, this is my first rodeo. I've seen a lot of different visas be introduced over the years with different effects down the line. And I think that the Destination Thailand visa is no different. That said, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Individual Embassies Interpret Destination Thailand Visa Rules and Fees. So this is the first thing. Ministry of Foreign Affairs came out and basically stated that this is like a uniform scheme and it sort of works across the board. Well, even within their own mandate, which is embassies and consulates outside of Thailand, there's not even uniformity there. But as we'll get to here in a moment, immigration, which is under the auspices of the Ministry of Interior, is an entirely different animal. Quoting directly, the Immigration Bureau, not the foreign embassies or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, is responsible for actual entries and extensions. So let me put a fine point on that. Thai immigration is who deals with border entries coming in by air, land, or sea. It's their discretion who is admitted to Thailand. Meanwhile, it's also immigration's discretion who gets to extend their visa once in Thailand, not the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Quoting further, in an interview, the spokesman for the MFA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, said that Thai immigration officers at airports and borders could ask for updated information throughout the 5-year period. Yeah, I've discussed this in other videos. This whole notion that this visa is a set 5 years is pretty nonsensical to anybody who knows how the Thai immigration system works, okay? You have lawful status in 6-month intervals. And then at some point, you're either going to be dealing with an immigration officer at a border or an immigration officer here in Thailand, and they get to determine if you get another 6 months. We haven't seen how they're going to operate. We haven't even seen what their paradigm is regarding this. Quoting further, MFA said that the Thai immigration officers at airports and borders could ask for updated information throughout the 5-year period, even though the ministry was unlikely to do so. Well, again, they say this, but even within the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the embassies and consulates are out there doing things differently. So I don't know why they're implying a certain uniformity that isn't in existence here. Quoting further, the Immigration Bureau has not commented publicly. I state that again. Let me read that again. The Immigration Bureau has not commented publicly to date on that issue, and officer discretion is the most likely outcome. That's always the most likely outcome. Thai immigration has ultimate discretion regarding foreigners entering Thailand and foreigners remaining in Thailand. That is just how it has always worked. Very similar to the United States system. Department of State issues visas abroad, much like the Ministry of Foreign Affairs does in their Thai counterparts. And Thai immigration, much like Department of Homeland Security, deals with entrance to the country and extensions of status once in the country. So again, immigration is ultimately going to be the one to make the long-term decisions regarding this visa status. And it's very telling they have not commented to date. I think that says, what's the euphemism? Silence is deafening. Quoting further, in the meantime, the best advice is to review carefully the requirements of the DTV in your home-based country or one where you can prove beyond doubt that you're a temporarily resident. Each embassy is uniquely responsible for the detail within the broad framework agreed by the Thai cabinet. Well, the prior Thai cabinet, there's nothing, it's not a foregone conclusion that this will even remain as it was initially discussed. Things could change rather fundamentally with regard to the Destination Thailand visa. In fact, I suspect that they will, because I think immigration has different priorities from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. As discussed in other videos, there's been something of a PR blitz regarding the Destination Thailand visa. And frankly, I get it. I think the Ministry of Foreign Affairs should do things like that to try and encourage tourism and things to Thailand. Where I do think I take a little bit of issue is the fact that it's being touted as if it's just a done deal. You're just getting a 5-year visa, when in fact that's not the case. Thai immigration will be weighing in regularly regarding that type of status. and it is not a foregone conclusion that they are overly interested in allowing people to remain in Thailand on a long-term basis under these terms.